Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bento box for hot and cold food, the Howeemo Bento lunchbox set for kids. Whether you're packing lunch for school or on the go, this set promises convenience, durability, and great temperature retention, making it an excellent choice for busy families. Right off the bat, this lunchbox set stands out with its thoughtful design. It includes a leak-proof bento box with 4 individual compartments, an 8-ounce stainless steel insulated soup thermo, and a matching insulated lunch bag. The entire setup is tailored for kids, with a child-friendly latch on the bento box that makes it easy for little hands to open and close securely without any mess. Each compartment has its own sealed lid to prevent leaks and keep odors contained, which means you can pack a variety of foods without worrying about spills. The soup thermo is made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, and it's vacuum insulated. This means it keeps food hot or cold for up to 5 hours, making it perfect for soups, stews, or chilled snacks. The wide mouth design also makes it easy to fill and clean, though hand washing is recommended to maintain the silicone lid's shape and seal. One of the highlights is the included insulated lunch bag. It's compact but spacious enough to hold the bento box and soup thermo comfortably. The insulation helps maintain the food's temperature even longer and adds an extra layer of protection during transport. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free with this set. The bento box is both microwave and dishwasher safe, though the manufacturer suggests microwaving only the bento box itself and hand-washing the soup thermo to preserve its components. The materials used are free from PVC, ensuring a safe and durable lunch container for your child. This product is designed for children aged 3 and up, providing a perfect size and weight for school lunches or outings. It has a total capacity of 1,600 milliliters, with the compartments allowing you to pack balanced meals with different food items separated neatly. In terms of build and style, the lunchbox has a sleek rectangular shape with an Art Deco style in black, making it look modern and functional. The stainless steel construction adds to its durability and gives it a premium feel compared to typical plastic lunch containers. For parents who want their kids to enjoy a nutritious, warm, or cold meal at school without the mess, this Howeemo Bento lunchbox set offers a complete solution. It combines temperature retention, leak-proof compartments, easy cleaning, and portability in one neat package. If you're looking for a reliable lunchbox set that can handle both hot soups and cold snacks, keeps food fresh for hours, and is kid-friendly, this product definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.